Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to record meeting on a Zoom application. Okay, here I have created a virtual room on my Zoom application. Then I'm the host of this meeting. Then if you want to record the meeting, we have to be the host of the meeting. But if you are a participant, you have to get the permission from the host to record the meeting. And since I'm the host of this meeting, so I can record this meeting by clicking on this record button. Then the recording process will be started.
Recording in progress.
Okay. Then if you want to pause the recording, you just need to click on this pause button. But if you want to stop the recording, you can click on the stop button. Okay, and as you can see right here, the recorded will be converted to MP4 when the meeting ends. Then I'm just going to end this meeting. Click on end. Then click on end meeting for all. Okay, and just wait for a moment. It's still processing to save the recording. Okay, then you have to wait until 100%. Alright, and this is the recorded Zoom meeting. You can go to your documents, then you can open your Zoom folder. Then here are your recorded Zoom meeting located. And alright guys, that's how we can record a meeting on a Zoom application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.